Hello everyone. Today we will compare Verizon and Optimum, two major internet service providers. So Verizon offers a high-speed internet options including their Fios fiber optic service known for its fast speed and reliable performance, as well as 5G home internet for a wireless alternative. While Optimum provides cable internet with various speed plans focusing on wide coverage and flexibility, along with bundled service for added convenience. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Verizon and Optimum, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about their internet type, Verizon offers fiber, which is their Verizon Fios, and 5G home internet DSL, while Optimum Internet offers cable and fiber. When we talk about download speed, Verizon Internet have a speed up to 2 Gbps for Fios and up to 300 Mbps for 5G home, while Optimum Internet have a speed up to 5 Gbps for fiber and up to 1 Gbps for cable. When we talk about upload speed, Verizon Internet have a symmetrical speed up to 2 Gbps for Fios, while Optimum Internet have a speed up to 5 Gbps for fiber and up to 50 Mbps for cable. When it comes to data caps, so Verizon Internet have no data caps for Fios and 5G home internet, while same thing with Optimum Internet for fiber, but some cable plans have data caps. So for contract requirements, so Verizon Internet have no annual contracts for Fios, but they have a 1 to 2 years for 5G home, while Optimum Internet have no contracts for most plans. When we talk about bundling option, Verizon Internet offers bundling options for TV, phone, and wireless service, while same thing with Optimum Internet. When it comes to equipment fees, Verizon Internet have router rental fee or you can buy your own device. Same thing with Optimum Internet again. And lastly, when it comes to availability, so Verizon Internet have Fios available in selected areas while 5G home in specific cities. While Optimum Internet is available in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and other areas. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go to another section which is the pricing. So when we talk about the starting price, Verizon Internet offers them for $40 per month for Fios and $50 per month for 5G home. Optimum Internet offers $40 per month for cable and $30 per month for fiber. When it comes to top tier plan price, Verizon Internet have up to $90 per month for 1 Gbps Fios, while Optimum Internet is up to $180 per month for 5 Gbps fiber. When it comes to router rental fee, Verizon Internet, you can rent it for $15 per month or you can buy your own for $300. While Optimum Internet, you can rent it for $10 per month or you can buy your own for $180. When it comes to installation fees, so Verizon Internet have fees for standard Fios installation and $100 for pro install, while Optimum Internet free for online orders and $100 otherwise. And when we talk about the contract buyout offer, Verizon Internet offers up to $500 to cover early termination fees, while Optimum Internet offers up to $100 to cover early termination fees. Lastly, for promotional discounts, Verizon Internet have first 3 months free on select Fios plans, while Optimum Internet discounts is available for new customers only. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. So when it comes to speed consistency, Verizon Internet is highly consistent with fiber, while Optimum Internet is consistent on fiber, variable on cable. When it comes to latency, Verizon Internet have low latency, ideal for gaming and streaming. Same thing for Optimum Internet on fiber, but moderate on cable. When it comes to reliability, Verizon Internet is highly reliable, especially Fios fiber, while Optimum Internet is reliable on fiber, but you may experience outage on cable. Lastly, for peak hour performance, Verizon Internet have minimal slowdowns during peak hour on Fios, while Optimum Internet have some slowdowns on cable but stable on fiber. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. When it comes to support channels, Verizon Internet have phone, live chat, online support, and social media. Same thing with Optimum Internet, but they have a support at stores. And when it comes to response time, Verizon Internet is generally quick, especially through chat, while Optimum Internet, it varies, and some users report longer wait times. When it comes to Help Center, Verizon Internet have comprehensive online resources and troubleshooting, while Optimum Internet have extensive help centers with facts and guides. Lastly, for community forums, Verizon Internet have active online community for troubleshooting. Same thing with Optimum Internet, they have community forums available. So yes, that's it for the customer support, features, pricing, and performance comparison. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Verizon Internet pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Verizon Internet offers reliable and consistent fiber optic speeds, ideal for high bandwidth activities. They have no data caps on Fios and 5G home plans, allowing unlimited usage. And yes, they provide flexible, no contract options and various bundling choices, and they have advanced equipment and strong security features to enhance user experience. And lastly, they are responsive and comprehensive customer support service. So yes, that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Verizon Internet have limited availability with service only in specific regions. They have higher initial costs due to equipment and potential installation fees. And lastly, they have a mixed reliability reviews for 5G home internet in some areas. So yes, that's it for the Verizon prepaid or Verizon Internet pros and cons. So when it comes to Optimum Internet pros, Optimum offers diverse plan options with both fiber and cable services. They have no contract plans, provide flexibility and ease of switching. They have a competitive pricing and promotional deals for new customers, and they also have wide service availability across several states. And lastly, they have convenient bundling options with TV, phone, and mobile services. So when it comes to cons, Optimum cable internet speeds can fluctuate, especially during peak times. And also some plans have data caps limiting heavy internet usage. They also have the community or customer support experience vary with reports of inconsistent services. And lastly, the fiber availability is limited compared to cable offerings. So yes, that's it for the Optimum Internet pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing we should choose Verizon. So Verizon is preferable for someone who desires highly reliable and fast internet for activities like streaming and gaming, someone who values unlimited data usage without worrying about caps, someone who looks to bundle services and enjoys flexibility without long-term contracts, and someone who lives in an area where Verizon Fios is available and prioritize consistent performance. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Verizon is the choice for you. And yes, for the people who should choose Optimum Internet is referable for someone who seeks a variety of plan options to suit different needs and budgets, someone who prefers flexibility without contractual obligation, someone who is located within Optimum's widespread service area, someone who wants to take advantage of competitive pricing and promotional offers, and lastly, someone who is interested in bundling multiple services for added convenience and savings. So yes, if you have all of this quality right here, Optimum Internet is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms internet provide quality service tailored to different preferences. So Verizon is best for those seeking top tier, reliable speeds and advanced features, especially where Fios is available. Optimum suits to users looking for flexible and affordable plans with broader availability and diverse service options. So you need to assess your specific internet needs and priorities to choose the provider that aligns best with your requirements, whether it's Verizon's superior fiber optic performance or Optimus versatile and cost-effective plans. Make your choice today and enjoy a better online experience. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.